If you want to clear and permanently delete your Safari browsing history, you got the right video to watch. Here in this video, we'll ensure you to clear out all the Safari browsing history forever. So without wasting any more time, here's how to do it effectively. First, Solution 1, clear Safari history and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, find Safari browser, scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. After that, scroll down, tap Advanced, tap Website Data, tap Remove All Website Data. This action removes not only all browsing history, cookies, and cache, but also the website that you recently visited. Solution 2, remove cache and cookies from your iCloud as well. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, tap See All, find out Safari browser, toggle off this option, tap Deletes from iPhone. Now let's check if it's gotten 1005 cleared or not. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Safari browsing history is cleared permanently. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.